Are you self-employed with a turnover over 85,000 or have a complex business structure? In today's video, I will simplify the self-employment section of the tax return. Let's make the tax time less stressful. Hi, I'm Rubina and I help business owners take control of their finances, overcome financial challenges, and confidently build the thriving, successful business they deserve. What is the self-employment form? It is used by self-employed individuals whose business is either more complex or has a turnover of 85,000 or more. It also applies if you use overlap relief due to changes in your accounting basis, or if your business income includes complex elements such as CIS scheme deductions, basis period reform adjustments, or if you have ceased trading and need to claim terminal loss relief. Key distinctions. This form is more detailed than the short one and captures information about income, expenses, capital allowances, and losses in a comprehensive way. Use the short form if your business turnover was under 85,000 pounds. Let's fill in the form of the tax return for your guidance. Now we are filling self-employment form of our self-assessment tax return. Answers of all questions. Did you have an annual turnover of 85,000 or more? Yes, we have 85,000 annual turnover and we are filling the detailed form of the self-employment section. If you are affected by basis period reform, no, we are not affected by basis period reform. Save and continue. Business name is Rubina's Consultancy. We are providing management consultancy to our clients. First line of your business address is 118 Paul Mall. Postcode is SW1Y5EA. Has your business name, description, or address or postcode changed in the last 12 months? No. If your business started after 5th April 2023, no, it's been started 5 years back. Did your business cease trading after 5th April? No. Save and continue. Once book started, this is 6th April 2023. End of accounting books are 2024. Save and continue, save and continue. As it's a consultancy business, so there are no purchase or sale of goods, there are no construction industry things. Wages, salaries, 20,500 pounds. Car, van and travel expenses, 9,600 pounds. Rent rates, power and insurance costs relating to the business are 9,700 pounds. Repairs and maintenance of property, 3,500 pounds. Telephone, fax, stationery, other office costs are 4,500 pounds. Advertising and business costs are 7,500 pounds. Interest on bank loans, there is no bank loan. Credit card charges are 350 pounds. Debts written off are nothing. Accountancy and legal expenses, 1,500 pounds. Depreciation and loss, profit on sale of assets. We have purchased an asset, so depreciation is 500 pounds. Other business expenses are 4,300 pounds. Save and continue. There are no cost of goods brought forward. Non-business motor and travel expenses are 2,300 pounds. Rent rates, power and insurance costs, there is no personal expenses. Repairs and maintenance, no personal expenses. Telephone, fax and stationery, 3,000, 1,500 pounds. Entertainment cost, 500 pounds. Entertain to suppliers. Depreciation and loss brought forward on sale of assets, 500 pounds. So total disallowable expenses, 4,300. Save and continue. Tax allowances for vehicles and equipment for the consultancy. Annual investment allowance, we purchased one laptop, so the cost is 1,500 pounds. We are claiming annual investment allowance. There's no CO2 emission allowance or any zero emission goods vehicle allowance or zero emission car allowance. Freeport investment, electric charge point. Yes, there are the expenses relating to the charge point. It's been 750 pounds on the installation and repairs. There are no balancing charge on sale of assets. Save and continue. There are no use of goods and services for own use. So total additions to net profit are deductions from net loss, 4,800 pounds. Net business profit for tax purposes are 31,200 pounds. Save and continue. Overlap relief, we are not claiming any overlap relief. There is no losses brought forward or carry forward. So taxable profits from this business is 31,200 pounds. So we have completed. So it's been completed section of the tax return. Tips for completing the self-employment form. Keep records. Maintain organized records of income, expenses, and receipts to make filing easier and to provide evidence if needed. Meet deadlines. Submit your tax return and pay any taxes by 31st Jan of the following year to avoid penalties. Use HMRC's resources and help sheets available on the HMRC website for guidance or speak to your accountant. By understanding the self-employment form, you can confidently manage your self-assessment tax return and keep your business on the right track. For more tips on simplifying business finances, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.